Hello, my name is Jared Have. I am currently studying a Bachelor of Commerce, double majoring in IS and Management. My topic is: can technology preserve a culture or replace it? Culture includes our tradition, language, and values. Today, technology is changing how we live and communicate, and this raises an important question. Can technology help a culture survive or replace it? On one hand, technology can help preserve a culture. For example, we can use the social media and digital platform to share our traditions. In Tonga, video of dances and cultural practices are shared online, and story can be recorded and saved for future generations. This helps keep our culture alive, especially for people living overseas. However, technology can also replace a culture. Many young people spend more time online than with their elders, which means they may not learn traditional practices. Also, global or Western trends are becoming more popular, and this can lead to less use of our language and customs. In my opinion, both effects can happen. Technology is just a tool, and it's depend on how we use it. If we use it wisely, it can support and protect our culture. But if we rely on it too much, it can slowly replace our traditions. So the key idea, use the technology to protect a culture, not replace it. Okay, in Tonga, we can see both sided. Culture is shared on platforms like TikTok and Facebook, and even church services were online during COVID-19. But at the same time, many young people are influenced by global trends and participate less in traditional activities. In conclusion, technology has a both positive and negative effect on culture. It can help preserve it, but it can also replace it. Use it to protect, like sharing, recording, and learning, or replace it, losing or forgetting. Final idea here is depend on how we use the technology. And for my reference, the UU100 course material, Google image and online ideas, general knowledge, video from YouTube, and lastly, the best observations from the Tonga context.